You rocking with G-Style TV.
G-Style.
We got Slicc about to go in to hustle hard.
Yeah. Oh. Mic check 1 2 1 2. It's Deuce real quick and let it die. Who come through? What up? Yeah,
we doing a mic check.
Yeah.
You about to get it in. Show y'all how we do it. You ready, cuzzo?
Yeah, man. I had that peanut butter sandwich.
Hey, I should have got some McDonald's whole time.
Yes, sir. Check.
Hey, we got Meech over there kicking it.
Deuce real by any means. It's going down.
Okay.
Long overdue. It's about that time, though. Repeat.
Next time you gonna be seeing this brother, he gonna be laying down the verse.
Yeah, true indeed.
I'm gonna check back at y'all.
Stay blessed.